What's up, y'all? It's Jordan Martin, Martin Investment Group, Martin Stock Club. We're going to go ahead and put the watch list out for Friday, March 3rd. But first, let's do a quick recap on this killer trade from Boeing from Thursday's watch list, and that's today. So Boeing, we looked at yesterday. It was on the watch list for today. Looking at a break above yesterday's highs of 205.44 for the move up to the gap fill at 208, right? Today, we actually opened up at 203. Take it down to the 5-minute. Right? We opened up at 203, started pushing our way up, and then we started dancing around this 205 level again, which is where we were waiting on the break to get our move up. We see we broke over it, and like I said in the video, I wanted a 5-minute or 15-minute candle close above that level. We broke above it there and closed. Right here, we saw the rejection, which is why we wait. Closed, and look what happened after, right? And yes, the whole market shot up, but we took profit at that 208 level for 156%. Right? Those 207.5 calls moved from here to here, 156%. And then it went well over 200% towards the end of the day, but it already hit the target. Shoulda, woulda, coulda left some runners, but it's all good. So let's move to today's list, right? CVS, huge drop. I don't know who said they're going to war with CVS. We see it broke the support here. Didn't even really put up a fight. It held it for a quick second. Next day, just broke down. So what I'm looking at is for CVS, a swing trade or day trade opportunity once we make a break of the previous day's high. And we see CVS hasn't made a new high on the daily in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, right? Don't even have to throw an indicator on here to know that the RSI is oversold, but just for y'all who like that, we're going to pop it on there. And we see the RSI is at a 25 level, right? The 14-period RSI is at 25. So we already know, again, confirming indicator-wise that we're oversold. Looking at the price, we could tell, right? So I'm just setting an alert for a break above that high, which is 82.39, 82.40. And on the same thing as Boeing, right? Is looking for a break above that high and for it to hold on the 5-minute. If you want to be aggressive, a close above on the 5-minute. If you want to be a little more conservative, 15-minute break and close above that level. Disney, we see that it's holding this support, right? Technically, we have this triple bottom here. We have the bounce off of this area. It's about $98 down to about 97.20. So that range we see is acting as demand. We see the previous bounces off that level here. And I'll mark those off for the visual, right? So we see those bounces, the double bottom there, and now we're here again. And looking at the break and hold above the high, you'll see that's typically what I want to see. So Disney set a high today of 99.30 or 99.29. So my alert is 99.30. Keep in mind that once you start playing around with that $100 level, we can see some resistance, right? And that we have a high of the previous day. So Wednesday's high was 99.63. So that can act as some resistance as well. We might not see it immediately just take off, but this does have potential to be a pretty solid swing as we get a move back up, right? We know the market moves in waves of up and down, up and down, up and down, right? And that doesn't change on Disney either. We see we came out this move up, had our move down, up, down, shot up, right? And now as it's making its way down, it's going down, up, right? And this is setting us up for a nice move to have a quick bounce back up. And that's what we're looking to take advantage of tomorrow, all right? And last but not least is Square, which was on the watch list for today, Thursday, and it's also going to be for Friday because we started to break this range. All right, so previously we were in this range contained by Friday, 24th of February's candle, and we had 3 days of price action inside there. Today we broke it, right? So looking for a continuation after this break to get us to move back to the upside where we can test 81.50 and then move up to about the 83 price area. And we see we have some resistance here where price has rejected before. So we'll look at taking our profits there, absolutely. right? And that gives us range for either a day trade if we get some crazy movement on this breakout, or a swing back to those levels with next week's expiration. The high is 78.59. So we're looking at 78.60. Break and close above. 5 minute is aggressive, 15 minutes conservative. Y'all make some money. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all later.